goats.
Okay, Orlando, this is for you. We're looking at chickens. Look how many chickens there are.
We're at your house.
Yeah, Orlando.
Your natural habitat. Where he grew up.
Look at these chickens. Those chickens.
And like,
I don't even know what it's doing. Yep, Orlando, we found chickens.
Tiny head.
There's chickens over there, a chicken there, and there's a pig over there.
I don't trust them.
Like, this one's funny looking.
Stop running away, chicken. Look at these chickens over here.
One of them just took a shit.
Huh?
Ew.
Oh, good.
I don't like, we see like, it's like, what are they, those
Let's
two
check
doing?
out Rachel. I guess that pig's name is Rachel.
I want to eat you, Rachel.
This
I know.
is nasty.